has been making this weird sound the last couple of days, and hopefully I can pick it up so you guys can hear it. What is that? It's like right in here it makes the sound. Hope it's picking it up. Ow, it hurts too. I don't know what that is, but last week I noticed it. And it feels weird too when I touch it when it makes that sound. Ew, it's like right in here. I'm like lifting my leg up when it does it. It's like, ew, it's so creepy. It feels like bones are snapping. Anyways, this is creepy, but just wanted to share this because if anyone else has this problem, let me know what it is. It just feels really weird. Look what it looks like.